Why not just tell him the truth? Say that since you hadn't heard from him in a long while you thought he'd lost interest and wasn't coming, and so you made other plans. When you say that he gave you a good reason, I assume you mean a reason for his lack of communication with you. However, it seems a little odd to me that he couldn't have sent you even one text in these past weeks that would have explained this to you. Why is he only telling you the good reason now? Still, if he has already paid for transport etc., then it does leave him in a bit of a mess. Is it too late for him to get a refund of the costs of his train ticket, for example? If you have made plans to visit elsewhere, is it possible that he could come along with you, at least for part of the time? Or if your own regular accommodation is going to be free, could he stay there while you're away? Also, how flexible are your own current plans? If you have made other travel arrangements, for instance, are you able to cancel or alter these without losing too much money? It's important that you let him know about your change of plans, and why you did this, before he arrives. Springing it on him after he shows up at your place would be the worst possible thing. Talk to him about why you changed your plans, see how he feels about it, discuss what to do together.